With Insightly's new bi-directional email sync, you can skip context switching and keep your team in sync. You're now able to send and receive emails right inside Insightly, so conversations are captured, follow-ups are faster, and records stay clean. Let's connect your mailbox. To enable email sync or access the settings, first click your profile photo, choose User Settings, and select Email Settings on the page that appears. Next, under Email Accounts, click the Add Account button and choose Synced Email Account. This next page is where you'll authenticate your email address. Enter your email address here. If it's a Gmail account, you'll be asked to continue and authenticate with Google. Sign in, continue, and then select All for what Insightly is able to access to enable the sync. Once the sync is enabled, ensure your selected account shows up under email accounts as synced and verified. This shows that your account is synced, so the sync is now enabled. These are your link and mailbox settings. Under mailbox settings, you can specify whether to open Gmail to send emails, include your Insightly email address in the BCC field, automatically save file attachments to Insightly, make your emails visible to others in your account by default, and automatically link contacts included in the email CC field. You're also able to add a signature. After email sync has been enabled in your account, emails sent from your synced account to contacts or leads with email addresses in Insightly will automatically be synced to Insightly on the Emails tab under My Sent Emails. If and when your lead or contact replies to your email, the reply will also be synced to your Insightly account under My Received Emails. Both sent and received emails will also be synced to the contact record under Activity. Remember, if you're not seeing an email, first confirm the recipient is a contact or a lead, then check that your account is marked as synced. Filters can also hide messages if you're not seeing responses. To stop syncing, simply go back to your email settings and uncheck the synced button. Recheck it to resume. One inbox, one source of truth. Bi-directional email reduces context switching, improves visibility for your team, and keeps your CRM up to date automatically. For setup instructions, search Email Sync in the Help Center or contact support.